Hi YouTube, Hillbilly F100. Out here at our field where we keep our horses. We got about 13 acres out here. This is the land that I want to get the tractor for eventually. I promised y'all I would do a video of the chainsaw in action. I did cheat a little bit. There was a big pile of, or a couple branches out there that needed to be cut, and I went ahead and cut it. Upon doing that, I discovered the chain is extremely dull, so it's not really cutting, it's more of a gnawing. But you know, it still works. And just to give you guys another view again of the beast, I think probably the last time y'all saw it, it was low light, but this is it. It's a little 14-inch bar Craftsman. Of course, it comes with a cool case, all for $10. I've got $39 in it. 14-inch, you know, it's a small sucker. This is the tree that we're contemplating on cutting. You know, it's not in the way. The horse's water's right here, so it's not like it's in the way. It's on the other side of the fence. So I don't know if we're gonna actually cut it or not, but I figured I'd do a little demo of the chainsaw in action anyways. So stay tuned. Thanks. You can cut it off now. just so it's said, this is not what you want to happen. Alrighty, YouTube, there you have it. As my wife was videotaping, I haven't actually seen the footage yet. I hope it turned out well. I'm sure it did. Got the bar stuck. I could feel it kind of getting stuck. It's been a long time since I've used the chainsaw, and I think the last one I used was a 16 or an 18-inch bar, and it just ran through anything. This little guy, like I said earlier, almost wants to gnaw its way instead of or chew its way instead of actually cutting. But I'm pleased with it, especially for $39 after repair. You know, I don't think you could beat that. So that's basically it. You know, I mean, this is that's what she did. Again, there's another look at the chainsaw. It's a Craftsman. It's got the choke right there. I don't know if y'all noticed I was heavy on the gas on it. I think either the spark plug needs to be replaced. I didn't replace it from the previous owner. I did take it out and clean it, but that's all I did. Or the maybe the carb might be gummed up. It seems like it's actually running stronger for this video than it was even the first time I ran it. I don't know, it just seems like it's running a little bit better. And of course, I don't know if y'all can see, it's one of our horses there. That's Toby. Actually, I take that back, that's not our horse. That is a friend of ours' horse that we're baby horse sitting. He's a Mustang, actually. So, he was a wild Mustang. The Bureau of Land Management got him, and she adopted him, or she bought him off the original adopter. So, this is his temporary pasture. That's why I want to go ahead and clean off a little swatch, you know, through here, because, you know, the water's right there. But of course, he's got his own little makeshift water area right there. So, anyways, I'm going to go ahead and continue cutting this tree down, or cutting it up a little bit more, and that's it. But I wanted to show y'all completion of it, you know, that way y'all wouldn't think I'm lying or nothing. So I'm pretty pleased with it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. All right, guys. Bye.